Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Z Fold 8 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with opening the Play Store. Make sure that you've got the internet connection, of course, because it is required. And now let's tap on this circle in the right upper corner. Now let's go to Manage Apps and Device and tap on Updates Available. So right here we've got the list of all updates pending, and it depends what you wish to do. You can either tap on Update All and download all of the updates, or you can update them one by one manually, so you can basically choose only the apps that you want to update. So just tap on the update, and as you can see, your device will immediately download and apply the updates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.